Hello. Today we're going to talk about the importance of releasing your emotions. I advise to not just look at the physical body when dealing with pain relief. You must also need to look at the root cause emotions driving the pain. When it comes to energetic causes behind pain or illnesses, the most damaging emotion in the body is the suppressed emotion of anger. And it all depends on your childhood. As children, security is the most fundamental thing we seek. We will do everything to get the security we need. If as children we feel that our parents cannot handle our emotions, or if they become a threat to our security, we will shut down contact with our emotions. This happens instinctively and on an unconscious level to protect ourselves from negative consequences. When we turn off contact with our emotions, we also turn off contact with our body's signals. We become disassociated from what is going on inside us. The problem here is that the emotions remain inside us. If we feel anger, for example, and push it away, we direct that energy, the emotion, inward instead of expressing it. There it remains until we dare to face it and get through the feeling. The emotions that lie in our subconscious create a constant internal stress load, especially if we have suppressed feelings of anger or even strong fear. The constant stress loads leads to elevated levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, which in the long run often affects our immune system, digestion, and important brain functions. The body also begins to express the emotions through physical symptoms such as headaches, dizziness, muscle tension, wandering pain, or fatigue. Additionally, emotions are energy, and energy cannot be destroyed. It can only change forms. The energy we lock up in the form of tough emotions has a low vibration. That is, it vibrates at a low frequency. When we carry low frequency locked up energy in our bodies, it becomes heavy. This causes us to experience life as a struggle, and the body has to struggle. And it is all because the flow of life is blocked and the energy within us is low. So, learning how to release your emotions, especially those that we face every day, anger, rage, fear, is beneficial to your wellness and to your daily living. Have a good day.